Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using TikTok for marketing with Later easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, download the Later app from your device's app store. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. Link your TikTok account to Later by selecting the TikTok option in the connections settings. Confirm the connection by following the on-screen prompts from TikTok. Navigate to the Later dashboard and select the Content tab. Click on the Upload button to add your videos or images you want to post. Drag and drop your media files or select them from your device. After uploading, choose a video and click on it to open the editing options. Add a caption that resonates with your audience and includes relevant hashtags. Select the date and time you want your post to go live. You can also choose to post manually by setting a reminder. Take advantage of Later's link in bio feature to direct traffic from your TikTok account. Use the analytics tools provided by Later to track engagement on your posts. Monitor which types of content perform best with your audience. Adjust your strategy accordingly, focusing on trends and successful content types. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Experiment with different posting times to find when your audience is most active. Review your performance metrics regularly to refine your TikTok marketing approach. Stay up to date on TikTok trends and algorithm changes that may affect your content strategy. Utilize trending sounds and challenges to enhance the visibility of your posts. Always remember to create content that reflects your brand's personality and values. By following these steps, you will effectively start using TikTok for marketing with Later. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.